Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about a Leetcode question number 1716. Calculate money in Leetcode Bank. Here C wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode Bank every day. He starts by putting in $1 on Monday, the first day. Every day from Tuesday to Sunday, he will put in $1 more than the before day. Okay. And every subsequent Monday, he will put in one more dollar than the previous Monday. So we want to return the total amount of money he have nth day. Okay, we will be given n. Okay, let us take the example so it is more clear. See here, first of all, n is equal to 4, right? Okay, if n is equal to 4, what is the condition they have given? Initially, it will be Monday. Okay, at Monday, at starting, it will be $1. Then he will put what? One more dollar than the previous day. So it is 2, then 3, then 4. So what is the total? It is 10. Only 4 days, right? So what is the fourth day? Fourth day is here. So fourth day, it will be total of 10. Okay. Now, n is equal to 10. If n is equal to 10, see here, it is Monday. I will put 1. Sorry, he will put 1. Then Tuesday, 2. Then Wednesday, 3. Then Thursday, 4. Then Friday, it will be 5. Then Saturday, it will be 6. Then Sunday, it will be 7. Then again, it will be what? Monday. In Monday, he will put what? One more than the previous Monday. What is the previous Monday's value? It is 1. So he will put what? 2. So 2, then 3, then 4. So what is the total? It is 37. Hope you understand. Okay. Now, the next one is n is equal to 20. If n is equal to 20, then see here, first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here only 6 days. Why? Because here 7 days, here 7 days. At last it will be only 6 days, right? So it will be like this. What is the total? It is 96. Fine. How to approach this problem? See here. First of all, this here, we want to find the nth value, right? Okay. So that's the first case. So inside that, what are the steps involved? The steps that are involved inside that, I can say, I want to start from 1 and iterate to 7 times. To 7 times. Okay. And take those sum. Fine. Then again start from 2. Then go up to what? 7 times. If there is no 7 times exist, how can we find it? We can find by using what? If see here, it is 4, right? If n is 4, 7 or 4 should we take? We should take 4, right? So we should take what? Minimum value. Okay, in code I will show you how we are going to take this minimum value. Okay. So how I want to write the approach? See here, first of all, my n value should be greater than 0. To this, I want to iterate each and every time. Okay. Now the next step is I want to start from 1 to 7. Okay. But if there don't exist 7 days after that, what should I do? I should reduce, right? I should reduce. So how can I take number of days is equal to what should I take? The 7. I can either take 7 or I can take how many remaining days I have, the n value. And this is my minimum. Okay, then again, what should I do? I should take a for loop. Then I tends to where from 1 to this days. This days. Okay, it means what? If it is 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 will be taken. Like this, it will be iterated. Now again, what should I do? I should do like I want to add a sum, right? So let us take the result. The result plus is equal to I. Okay. But they are asking us to find what? See here. First 7 days it is okay. Then here, the next 7 days. See here. See this example. Next 7 days it will be starting from 2, right? So if we starting from 2, we want to take the week. So week is initially what? Initially 1. Week is initially what? 1. But in the second week, we want to start with what? 2. Then third week, we want to start with 3. So instead of taking this as 1, let us take as 0. So that when I add with this I, it will be initially what? 0. So no change. Then 1. 1 means what? It will start with 2. Then if week is 2, then what will be the answer? It will be 3. Can you understand this? Here I will increase my week 1 by 1. So this is how my pseudocode looks like, right? Yes. Now let us see the code first. Then we can go to the next approach. Here result is equal week is equal to 0. While n is greater than 0. Here I forgot to write one thing. Let's see here. N minus is equal to what? Days. We should subtract the days, right? Because n is 4, then I want to subtract how many days we have taken the sum. That's why I have written here. Okay. Now, for I in range of 1 comma days plus 1, result plus equal to I plus week. Now, week plus equal to 1. Now, n minus is equal to days and return day. Return result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, let us take the same code and check whether we can optimize it. Okay, let us check. Here, this is the code. Let me take this. Yes. Now, how can I optimize this in further way? See here, this inside loop is running unnecessary, right? Especially this loop. This loop is running 7 times, 7 times, 7 times, always 7 times. Can we skip this loop? That's any idea. Okay, let us choose this loop and we can think about, can we reduce this loop? Okay, what is the purpose of this loop? It takes sum of what? 7 values. So sum of 7 values. Okay, so it is taking the sum of 7 values. Can we find the sum of 7 values using some formulas? Yes, we have sum of AP. Okay, what is the formula? We have two formulas, n by 2 into a plus l, or we can use n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So these are the two formulas, important formulas. Okay, so see here, this formula, what? A means what? It is first. L means what? It is last. N means what? Number of elements. D means what? Difference. Hope you understand this. Now, in this first formula, we want this last element also, right? But in this, we are finding the last element is quite difficult. But we know what is the n value always. This n value gonna be what? This n value gonna be what? Min of this n value. Not this question n, okay? This n value may be min of 7, comma, the initial value. This n value. Let me take any other value. I shall make this as something n2. Okay, n2 can be minimum of 7 comma n. So that's gonna be my n2, right? So by using this, I can easily take this second formula. So if I take the second formula, see here, first of all, we are starting with what? 1 plus w. Can you understand this? We are always starting with what? 1 plus w. Okay, initial w is what? 0. So I can say w is 1. Okay, and this is gonna be my starting point. This a. Then w will be what? 2. Then 3. Then 4. Every day we have weeks like that, right? See here. Here, what is the starting point? 1. Here, starting point is 2. Here, starting point is 3. So I can say for first 7 series, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 series, starting point will be a will be 1. And I can say n value will gonna be by right 7. And the difference is always 1. So these are the 3 parameters I need for the second formula. So just apply it. Okay, instead of this, I can apply like result plus is equal to what gonna be my sum. So instead of this taking like this, I can take sum is equal to what is gonna be my sum? N by 2. So n by 2 into 2 into a plus n minus 1 into, we don't want to multiply 1, right? So that's it. That's it. We just finish this like this. Okay, this n will be what? This n2. This n2. Because we are finding what? Min of 7, comma, the remaining days. Okay, if the remaining days is greater than 7, we want to take only 7. If the remaining days is less than 7, we want to take that only, right? So that's why I have used this. Okay. Now, instead of this loop, let us replace this. Then I always increase my week, then n minus, instead of days, I will use what? Sum. Okay, let me show you the code so that it will be more clear. It looks like somewhat complex, but still, it is easy to understand. See here, when I show you code. Uh, just a minute. இதை மட்டும் ஓடுற மட்டும் கட் பண்ணி விட்டுருவா. கரெக்டா இப்போ ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். Now, s comma w is equal to 0 comma 1. Okay. Now, while n is greater than 0, days is equal to min of 7 comma n. Okay. Now, s plus equal to, first of all, what is the starting, sorry, what is the n value? N value is days, right? We want to take from min of this and this. Okay. Now, what is the starting value? It is w. W plus w. Instead of 2 into w, I used w plus w plus days. Days will be my n, right? Days minus 1 divided by 2. So this is my formula, right? This is my sum formula. Now, I will add 1 to my week and minus 7 in my n. Instead of minusing this, I can also minus like this. It's also correct. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, we are going to do still further optimization. Okay, let me take that code. Let me take it. Okay, see this. Here we have done what? We are iterating a loop. Then unless that value becomes 0, we are just iterating this, right? So this is what the code looks like. Now, can we do without using this loop itself? Okay, let us analyze it. First week 1. Okay, what will be my value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At week 2, what is my value? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. At week 3, what is my value? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, from this, can you observe? Now, see here, what is sum? It is 28. What is the sum? It is 35. What is the sum? It is 42. So, can you observe the pattern? Like, it is incremental 7. It is incremental 7. So, I can say, it is also in AP. Yes, right? So, what is my A value always? A value is always the first week. So, let us take example like this example, 20. So, 20 is my n. Okay. Let us say 20 is my n. So, what is going to be my first week? It is value like, first of all, we want to find how many weeks present, right? So, how many weeks present? How can we find weeks present if n is equal to 20? How can we find? Just put 20 divided by 7. We get the whole week. How many weeks are completely? We get 2. So 2 weeks are completed. We may have remaining week. How can I find what is the remaining week? Just put 20 mod 7. So it's equal to what? 6. So I can say I have 2 complete weeks and 6 remaining days. Fine. Okay. Now the next thing is D is equal to 7. The difference. Okay. So starting point is always going to be what? 28. Just apply it. If I apply it, what is my value for 2 weeks? It is like n. N is what? 2. 2 weeks, right? So 2 divided by 2 into, what is my starting point? It is 28, right? So 28 into 2 plus, what is my n value? Again 2 minus 1 into, what is my d? It is 7. So which is equal to, 2 and 2 can cancel. Now 56 plus 7. So which is equal to what? 63, right? 63. Now see here, take these two values, 28, 35. Add these two, 3, 1, 6. So 63. Can you observe this? How I got? Right? Okay. Now, going to the next observation. Okay, I found first 2 weeks. Now it's time to find what? The remaining weeks. How to find for remaining weeks? Sorry, remaining days. It is 6 days only, right? Okay. What is a week? Here it is 2. Then obviously it will be what? Third week. Okay. Now we are going to find what? Week 3. How to find the week 3? It is like starting with 3, right? Can you understand? First week it will be what? Starting with 1. Second week it is starting with what? 2. Third week is starting with what? 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is gonna be my 6 days value, right? Okay. Then absolutely, what is my A value? A value gonna be my week here. This weeks plus 1 gonna be my A value. Okay. Now what is my difference? It's gonna be my 1. Okay. Now what is my n? N is this remaining days. So remain. Okay. Now again, whether we want anything else, no, that's it. So what is my formula? So n by 2. What's my n? N is 6. Okay. So 6 by 2 into 2a. What is my a? 3, right? So 3 into 2 plus what is my n? Again, n is 6. 6 minus 1 into 1. Which is equal to this cancel 3. So 3 into 6 plus 5. So which is equal to 33. So add this 33 to this. Okay. So if I add 33, already this 63, right? 33 is equal to 99. Sorry, 96, right? Sorry, 96. See here, what we have got as answer? 96. Hope you understand this example, right? Can you understand how much tricky this problem is? So what is the time complexity at last? Work one. Here there is no matter what the time complexity you have done, but this is the very, very tricky solution. Okay. Let us see the code. See here, this code is so much tricky. So if you do some things like FP, GP, like that in math problem, it is so simple. See here, this is my code. First of all, I'm taking the remaining days. Then I'm taking what? Weeks. How many weeks? How many complete weeks it takes? Okay. Now, result is equal to 0. We can take this result is equal to 0. Okay. Now, result is equal to Q into, which means weeks. How many weeks? Weeks divided by 2. That's what I have put done here. Now, 2 into 28, right? Instead of that, I can put 56 directly. Okay. Now, plus Q minus 1. Number of weeks minus 1 into 7. That's the difference. So, that's what in my result. Now, Q is equal to Q plus 1. I have gone to the next week. Whether I want to go on check like whether I have any other extra days, remaining days. Okay. Now, result plus is equal to remaining days into 2 into Q. Q is the starting week. If it is the third week, we should start with what? 3. That's why I have used this Q. Now, plus remaining week minus 1. Sorry, remaining days minus 1 divided by 2. So, this is the AB formula. Now, I am just returning my result. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. You may ask whether this is possible for all case. Okay. Let me also solve for this first case. It is what? 4, right? 4. Okay. Let me solve. See here. First of all, what we are going to take? Number of weeks, right? So, number of complete weeks gonna be my, like, number of weeks, complete weeks is n by 7. So, n is what? 4. 4 by 7 is what? 0 already. 0 already. So, if I put in this formula, it will be like 0 by 2 into something. So 0 into something, it will be 0. So this value only becomes 0. Okay. Then again, I will come here. Then what will be my remaining days? Remaining days will be what? Only 4, right? 4. And the week is what? 0. 0 plus 1, it is 1. So it is like week is equal to 1. Remain is equal to 4. Then difference is equal to 1. Now apply the formula. What is my week? It is 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 and some formula is 1 by 2. Now again 2 into a. What is the starting point? It's week, right? So 2 plus n minus 1. What is n minus 1? It is 4. 4 minus 1, it is 3. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 plus here comes 3 is equal to 5 by 2. Just a mistake. See here. Here it comes 4, right? 4. Okay. Now it will be like 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So 10 is going to be my answer. See here. 10 is my answer. Where? Here. 10 is my answer. Can you understand this? Here I bit confused, like here it comes n, right? So n is the remaining days. Okay. Fine. So this is my approach, and this is the best example for this approach. Thank you.